beer bash, baby! Let's go! Good morning. Oh yeah, this neighborhood was nice once upon a time. Until we moved in. Man, look at this crap black. Oh, hope you showed up. Good morning. Yeah, I can't figure out how to open the trunk, so. There you go. What's good? Good morning, motherfuckers. How's it going, bro? What's up, bro? How's it going? All right, let's get this party started. Beater Bash, where are you? Yeah, this is perfectly normal. Oh, it's just ridiculous. Oh yeah. There we go. Okay. Yeah. What are you trying to go? Oh god. Oh fuck! Oh shit! Good morning, guys. 2018 Beater Bash Express Railing with Matt. I'm his co-pilot, and Billy Bob, of course. I think we're legit 2 minutes in, and we've already hit one person. Yep. Let's keep counter. Okay.
I don't want to hit him twice in the last 30 seconds.
Victim number 2. Oh my, this is so unnatural to just hit people at stoplights.
I know.
The fuzz is here.
He's grinning. He's
grinning?
He's grinning.
Oh! Oh, fuck! Oh no! Poor
It must be set up for tracks.
I got confused by it from, he thought I was a white guy.
Straight up.
Look at this.
Straight up.
I'm saying like this, you can't even see me. He thought I was... God damn. Jonathan, you want to shut off your car?
Hell yeah, man.
Okay.
Did I?
Oh my gosh. Matt, what are we doing?
We're gonna go line up for a drag race, man.
In the dirt.
In the dirt.
Sounds about right. Holy shit, there's a tree. There's a tree. Oh fuck. He's a crazy guy. He's a guy sawing off shit.
I don't want to be next.
God, he's here. Oh, it's so creepy. He's so creepy. Oh, I see. I see the problem. Oh no, it's Joe. All right, Joe, be gentle.
We just need this black.
That's it. That's it. Oh, what the fuck's going on? Oh shit, here we go. We're drag racing on the dirt track. Oh! I can't oh no! Mob it! We're gonna beat him! Woo! Woo! What happened? Too much horsepower?
Yeah.
Woo! It's rather cool. How'd you guys do?
Oh, very, very, very sad.
America! Man, look at that power right there. Oh! 7. Go, Evan, go forward!
This is chaos.
Oh, no! I'm not gonna drop my knots, baby!
Oh shit, move! Oh shit! He's right up close! We don't have anywhere to go! Oh no! Oh, here we go! Yeah, man, Mike dodging like crazy.
Yeah, man. I got that little clutch kick looking thing. It works like the fucking dream. What is this? Where's this from?
I was like looking in your seat. I didn't know.
We toss it in there. Fuck it.
I've always wanted to just throw rocks at cars, man. I don't even have to break anything.
Shit. My door won't close. It won't close.
Oh, that's number 10.
What are you doing? I want a door, dude. You want a door?
I want my door back.
Oh shit! Oh shit! It's oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, you Oh god! Oh, this is sick. That's a fire extinguisher, dude. Oh no, Evan's car! There's a fire extinguisher all up in here. Oh shit! Oh! Shit! Oh my god. A little bit of retaliation here, huh? Here we go. Oh shit! There we go. There you go. Nice little penis. That's the scale.
So important to be in.
We roughly right about here.
All potatoes, no meat.
All potato. These guys, man. I don't understand what's going on. You guys know what's going on? No way! Asian driver. I know what you're putting. Oh guys. Here we go. Oh no, what are you doing now? Oh shit. Oh no! No! Oh shit, Asian driver, no survivor. What? Let's go off-road, Jonathan. Let's do this. Gosh, we're over here trying to get in. He's just beating the shit out of the limo. You gotta be worried when the driver is putting a helmet on and the passenger's got nothing. So we're looking for an off-road track. I think if you're in the grass, there's cones right there. There we go, off-road. There's a course right there. Oh shit! Oh shit! What the fuck? Oh shit! Oh shit! That was sparks! Oh my god!
That didn't sound
That
good.
did not sound
I don't know what it was, but
Your oil pan.
probably not necessary.
Oh shit! Oh, that'll buff right out. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Okay, I see how it is.
Oh no!
I see how it is.
I had no part in this. I had no part in this.
I didn't see you there.
Evan, you need to push start your car. Joe's got you. Take a quick break from the craziness and appreciate the '69 Camaro. Oh shit, this is fucking beautiful. Working on the road. Hopefully this edit goes through. Matt's driving. We got Mike in the back seat. Next stop, lunch. Ooh, take a little break from all the shenanigans. Let's eat some lunch, man. I'm getting this. Boom. Looks like the picture. Gravy on the side. This is a lineup. I like this. These are your friends, bro.
Absolutely.
Beater bash, baby. Let's go. Dude, there's so much fluid everywhere. Matt, this is not good. Look at dude.
I think there's a problem.
There's yeah. See what's going on. Oh, got the limo smoking. People climbing on roofs. What's going on over here? People think we're crazy. Battery shut off switch. Quick access. We're pinned between him and this guy. Oh, this is sketchy. Look, two-handed. just to get it through the corners. We're losing power.
We're losing
so he's
power.
gonna
Give us
push
a
it.
Give us a push.
Oh, there we go. Okay, so we're losing. We're going slower. Foot is pegged. We're dropping. Oh man, it's all bad. The car is not going at all. Limo is smoking. I mean, I never checked the oil or changed it or anything, and I've owned it for a year. We're broken down, guys.
This good?
This is good. You want it? You want it?
Alright, this is.
I don't think it's supposed to be like that.
Holy shit!
What happened?
The power of the motor sucked the airbox in.
Hey, the crap-a-lac took a crap.
It's not possible.
It's not possible.
Literally looked it up. It's not possible.
It's not possible. Okay.
Driver error.
Driver error.
What happened? The light bulb broke.
Oh, fuck.
Good side medic. Seems okay. Yeah, it seems right.
Okay.
Right?
Right.
Okay. Yeah, seems. I think it's right.
Motherfuck, that hurt a lot. Shit.
Matt, give it your best try. It's alive. Yes.
I told you.
Scott straight up looked at me in the eyes and was like, I told you. And I was like, what? He's like, I told you it's not possible. I told him the car is dead. He's like, it's not possible. Flooring it? You're flooring it? Oh, man.
12 miles an hour.
Oh, fuck. It's not going to work, dude. We're not making up this hill. We're not going to make it.
This is it, boys.
We're dead.
This is it.
The car's dead.
This is floored.
There is kind of a turn up there.
Yeah.
Okay, cavalry's behind us. They're going to push us up the hill. Oh, man. This little beast isn't going anymore. I don't know, Scott. I don't know.
You guys are driving it wrong.
That's cool. Yummy, thanks. Don't drop it. We have to say goodbye. What the fuck? It's so loud. You got no doors.
You're not gonna reach out and slap it. It'll break out. Don't need no fucking roof.
Fuck, we got no room. We spotted a river crossing, so let's cross it. Got it!
There's only a smoke, huh?
This is nice. Oh shit, oh shit. There's a cliff right there. Take your hazard, boys. You're good. Oh yeah, that was fun. Oh, we're getting grabbed. Made our way to downtown Van Buren. Right. The hotel. Ooh, it feels nice in here. Let's see. You guys want a tour? Restroom. Okay. Shower. What else we got here? What is this door? Looks like a closet. It is a closet. What else do we have here? It's nice. Check this out. Bed, couch. Definitely need to do some work right now. And the beautiful view of the AC units. What do you guys think of that video? Crazy? That's only Saturday, which is crazy. The day before that was crazy enough. You guys don't even know how Sunday was. Just to give you guys a preview, we shot a 50 cal. That's freaking huge. I blew up some cans. We went off-roading. It was just good fun. If you guys want to sign up for next year, Express Rally, Beater Bash, you gotta do it. They have other events too. But if you guys want to sign up for this one, use the code BASH for 50 bucks off. This is definitely worth the fun. This is memories for a lifetime that I cannot explain to you guys how it's worth it. Split it with a buddy, dude. Just have two guys, split it and go. I had so much fucking fun. I woke up this morning wanting to drink a beer as I drove to work. Obviously not allowed here. But if you guys like that video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, give Express Rally a follow. I'm gonna finish this edit and then see you guys next time. Peace!